Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI P10 Smart, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So in front of us, very old device, and it's very important to understand. So here we have only 4 GB of RAM. It's very small amount of RAM for 2023. And here we have only 64, or we will check it right now. Memory. Oh, here we have only 32 GB of internal storage. Let's see on my memory. Oh, I have 4 GB. So cool. And we need to know that when we fill up our internal storage over the 70%, our device is starting to slow down. So it's very important not to fill your storage over the 70% full. And it's very good idea to have always 30% sorted, 25% free, because in this way your device will be use your storage in normal way, and for processor and for system you will have a free space, and your system needs several gigabytes of free space to work well. Okay, then to clean your storage, you can click clean storage. It will clean up your trash files, and it's very important. Why? Just because here we have Android, and here we have old Android system, and the Android applications are literally leaving a lot of junk files, and it's very good idea to sometimes clean it up. Cool. So fine, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.